Chapter 19.3 Bacteria in Nature. Decomposers. Every living thing depends on a supply of raw materials. If these materials were lost forever when an organism died, life could not continue. Before long, plants will drain the soil of minerals and die, and the animals that depend on plants for food would starve. As decomposers, bacteria help the ecosystem recycle nutrients. As recyclers, bacteria also perform critical steps in sewage treatment. Sewage contains human waste, discarded food, organic garbage, and even chemical waste. Nitrogen fixers. Plants and animals depend on bacteria for nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen to make amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, because animals eat plants. Plant protein supplies nitrogen for animals. So, this we need it obviously in the plants for the animals can stay alive. The process of converting nitrogen into a form plants can use is known as nitrogen fixation. Certain bacteria are the only organisms that can fix nitrogen in this way. In here is a clear example of a plant. Bacteria and diseases. Have you ever heard a teacher say that when a few people misbehave, they ruin it for everybody? Because if one person does something bad, all pay for that. That saying could be applied to bacteria. Bacteria are everywhere in nature, but only a few cause disease. However, these pathogens or disease-causing agents seem to get all the attention and they give the other bacteria bad reputation. Heterotrophic bacteria. Human uses of bacteria. Every day you probably use food products that have been manufactured using bacteria. Bacteria are used in the production of a variety of foods, including cheese, yogurt, buttermilk, and sour cream. Some bacteria are used to make pickles and sauerkraut, and some make vinegar from wine. Bacteria are also used in industry. One type of bacterium can digest petroleum, making it very helpful in cleaning up small oil spills. Some bacteria remove waste products and poisons from water. Others can even help to mine minerals from the ground. Still others are used to synthesize drugs and chemical through. Other example, clearly we can use the Coke. It's a drink that all of the people use it, but you can use it also to clean the bathroom. Controlling bacteria. Most bacteria are harmless and many are beneficial. However, the risk of bacterial infection are great enough to warrant efforts to control bacterial growth. Sterilization destroys bacteria by subjecting them either to great heat or to chemical action. Most bacteria cannot survive high temperature for a long time and can be killed in boiling water. But a hospital can be sterilized one room at a time by using disinfectants. Bacteria can cause food to spoil. One method of stopping food from spoiling is refrigeration. If food is to be preserved for a long time, a method called canning is sometimes used. Thank you.